What's up everybody, welcome back to Linux Crypto. Welcome to a little bit of a different video. Usually what I do in the morning is I just scan the markets and I make videos and updates and analysis on videos that I think are most valuable for all of you. Now with the bearish momentum that we saw in the markets right here for Bitcoin could turn around, that would be great. But with that momentum we've seen, I mean, most cryptos are just not that interesting to look at, especially, I mean, most cryptos are just very dependent on Bitcoin. So if I would make a lot of videos about altcoins, it would just be that, look at Bitcoin and then you know what's going to happen with the altcoin. Now, what I saw this morning, though, is that there were quite a lot of scam rallies, and I need to explain that a little bit more. But there are some cryptos that if you follow the markets long enough, then you know that some of these cryptos have, sometimes they have massive rallies, like right here. And sometimes some of them have potential. So I just wanted to do a video on this, and that is quite a risk I'm taking because these cryptos are manipulated, all right, very manipulated, and that means that most of retail will not make money with this. So keep that in mind, all right. If you're a beginning trader, it's probably not best to look at these. But I just wanted to make a quick video, wanted to go over all of the cryptos that I think right now have some sort of scam potential, or at least the ones that I think have most potential right now to pull off some sort of a scam. So that's what we'll do. I will first try to find them all again because I did not make a list because I'm stupid. I'll find them all again and then we will briefly look at all of them, and that's going to be the video. All right, so Lever is one of them, LSK is one of them, or LSK. I also saw ARK earlier this morning, which is also one of them, so I'll add that to it. In general, you can just see that a ton of open interest has been gained in most of these, all right? So for example, Metal is also one of them, which I also cannot find right here. It's right there. Metal is one of them, and I'll show you what I mean. Steam is also one of them. FitFi is one of them. BSW is probably one of them. So those really are the main ones. I think if you also take Steam with this, these are the main ones. And just in general, to show you what I mean, if you look at a crypto like this is just super manipulated. All right, or if you look at a crypto like this, Metal also in the past has had some major spikes, major rallies, very manipulated. And if you look at ARK, same story, some big spikes, some huge rallies, very manipulated. So most of these will not rally. I am not even confident that any of these will rally. But if you are a little bit more of an experienced trader, then it is interesting to keep an eye on it. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So the list I've composed right now are Lever, LSK, Steam, Metal, and ARK. So what you see, and I'll show you this briefly for one of them, what you see is that the behavior is very weird, all right? So right here, for example, you can see that LSK has gained a ton of open interest. Millions in positions were being opened in both spot and futures, and what's going to happen is that maybe they'll pump up the price, maybe not, and then we'll have a crash. That's what will happen with some of these cryptos. So if we look at LSK, what I always do is wait for a breakout. I think right now the main resistance level for LSK is between 1.93 and 1.85. If we get some sort of a breakout above that, then it gets interesting. If that goes hand in hand with continued open interest increase, I might buy it. All right, so the main, I'll just tell you the main level that needs to break. And if we break above that level, then it's still up to you, because like I said, these are manipulated and these are scammy, so be careful, but then there's potential. For ARK, I would say the main level is this level around 87.5 cents, strong technical level, 200 EMA, trend line, break above that with momentum, potential. For Metal, it's kind of the same as with ARK. There's a strong resistance level around 1.85, break above that with momentum, and we can rally up higher. I'm not telling you these breakouts will happen. I'm telling you that if they happen, that's interesting. Then there's a chance that will rally. And one of these will probably rally. Steam, honestly, I would stay away. I would stay away from this. the spikes that we're getting on this, it's just too stressful to trade, I would say. And LSK, I would say, has most potential since they gained the most open interest. No, I already talked about that. Yeah, main level to break is 1.93, 1.85. Break above that, potential. And then Lever, I should have already bought Lever, but to be honest, when we broke above 3,200 right here, but right now the main resistance level right here is 3,700. break above that and there's potential, but lever has already rallied quite a lot, so probably too risky to trade. I would say the ones with most potential are ARK and LSK. So like I said, and I do want to stress this, if you're a beginning trader, it's probably not best to trade in these cryptos. For now though, if you do have any questions, anything, if you want to talk about this, either join our free Telegram group or ask me down in the comments, and yeah, keep an eye on those. For now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.